everybody. Damian Boudreaux, founder of Auto Training Academy and author of Keep It Simple Selling. How many of y'all ever been driving down the road? You're kind of tired. You had a long day. And you're driving down the road, yeah? And all of a sudden, up on the road, you see on the curb of the road, there's the popo, the policeman. You see him. He's sitting there. He's watching cars pass by. Your car's coming up. As you pass the cop, you casually glance up in your rear view behind mirror. You look in the rear view mirror, and all of a sudden, you see him start to pull out like that. The lights go. Oh, he coming after you. How many of y'all ever had a shift in energy about that time where you no longer tired all of a sudden? You ever had that happen? So the question is, were you really tired? Where did you get your energy from? Did it just automatically materialize? Was it because you drank one of them 12-hour energy drinks, or you drank one of them things that make you have more energy? Or did your energy naturally get created by something? I happen to be grateful to be a student of this guy right here, Brendon Burchard. He wrote a book called The Charge. And in The Charged Life, what he says you want is you want to have high levels of sustainable energy. Not ups and downs and ups and downs. You want to have sustainable energy. And in his book and on his programs, he talks about how to do that. And it's genius. He says the power plant doesn't have energy in it. The power plant generates energy. You see, it creates energy. The same with you. You don't have energy in you. You generate energy. You create energy. How do you create energy? By the way you think. By your physiology, how you're moving your body. He gives lessons on how to put energy into your body, ways to increase the flow of blood, tapping, qigong. He talks about all that stuff in the book. Watching how you eat. Some of y'all eating terrible. No wonder you die. And you drink one of them drinks. You know, one of them caffeine drinks, the one of the crazy ones, you know. What happens is, you start to drink that, your energy levels right here, yeah? It goes up. And then it comes down. And you got to drink another one. Now your level's farther along because you have what they call a crash. A sugar crash or caffeine crash or whatever. Because it's not natural to your body. You have to start paying attention to your body. You have to create and generate your own energy. Your energy is key to your being successful. Walking and talking and breathing and being that energetic, happy, unstoppable human being. That's what you were meant to do. Get you some energy. Create it yourself. Ask the question, what has to happen for me to have more energy right now? Look, I want to thank you for watching these videos. Thank you for listening to them on the MP3, the podcast, and reading my blog and the comments. Y'all keep them comments coming. I love reading the comments. And listen, please keep watching all my videos. Listen, here's what I want you to do. I want you to go this week, and I want you to pay attention to your energy levels. When you feel like your energy levels drop off a little bit, unacceptable. Go, I got this. And figure a way to get your energy level back up. Not just with your customers, but with your children, with your family, with the people around you. Have more energy. Look, this is Boudreaux. I'll see you next week. Next week, I got something special for you. You're going to like next week. Talk to you later. Have a good day. Bye.